Nvidia stumbled. In fact, it went down 6% just on Friday. How far could it fall? Many say that it could go down as much as 20 or even 30%. Why? Because it's predicted its earnings are just going to increase a massive percentage. What if it doesn't? Well, then of course the stock could fall. Many think it's a cyclical stock. In other words, it does well for a period of time, but then there's a fall off. Why? Because there's likely at some stage to be a competitor to Nvidia. And of course, if that happens, then of course, perhaps it won't be seeing its stock increasing at such an incredible pace as it's done in the past. Many people, when they look at the stock market, they see something going up in a straight line and they naturally think it's going to continue to go up in a straight line. The answer to that is yes, it might. Okay, but also it might not. In other words, when you're investing, of course, you should be looking to go into the best stock, and that's why you should be talking to a financial advisor, but you should always diversify, smart diversification, into the best companies. AI is going to continue. Is Nvidia going to continue? Probably. But always an opportunity to invest in something else, and always make sure that you've got some diversification, because you can't rely on just one company to be the best for the next 10 years. You might be lucky, but you might not. In other words, forget secure capital. You should be looking just to make sure you gain a good long-term return. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We did tip Nvidia when it was at a low point. Right now, it's at a high point. Will it continue? Probably. But I'd still say absolutely diversify.